What if one truck could plow through snow like a beast, climb terrain like a tank, and still outsmart the toughest safety standards in Europe? This is the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Unimog U327, a machine so advanced, it doesn't just work, it dominates. Stay tuned, because what you're about to see will change the way you look at trucks forever. The year is 2026, and Mercedes-Benz continues to redefine what a utility vehicle can achieve. Standing tall in the world of medium-duty implement carriers is the brand-new Mercedes-Benz Unimog U327. It's not just a truck. It's a workhorse designed to handle the toughest conditions, equipped with technology that makes heavy-duty operations as seamless as everyday driving. This is the evolution of a legend, one that takes decades of engineering excellence and packs it into a form that's more powerful, more intelligent, and more versatile than ever before. Let's start with performance. Under the hood, the 2026 Unimog U327 delivers 200 kilowatts, or 272 horsepower. That's a noticeable leap over its predecessor, the U323, which topped out at 231 horsepower. This increase means the U327 now sits comfortably between the highly maneuverable U319 and the powerful, heavy-duty U427. Mercedes has positioned it as the perfect middle ground, giving operators a balance of agility and raw performance without compromise. Whether you're on tight municipal roads or challenging rural terrain, this Unimog is designed to fit right in. The flexibility extends to its dimensions and configurations. Buyers can choose between two wheelbase options, either 3,150mm or 3,600mm. The vehicle height comes in at 2,925mm, width is 2,200mm, and depending on the chosen wheelbase and setup, length ranges from 5,130 to 5,575mm. This means municipalities, contractors, and operators can tailor the U327 to the exact demands of their work. From short, compact variants for maneuverability to longer versions for payload and attachment capacity, the customization options ensure no task is too big or too small. But modern work vehicles can't just be about raw power and size. They must also meet stringent safety standards. And here, Mercedes-Benz has ensured the U327 is not only capable but compliant with some of the strictest regulations in the world. The truck meets the EU's 2019/2144 General Safety Regulation, known as GSR2. This includes a full suite of advanced driver assist features, side guard assist, which helps protect vulnerable road users like cyclists and pedestrians, front guard assist, monitoring obstacles directly ahead, traffic sign assist, ensuring operators always stay aware of speed limits and warnings, a reversing camera for improved rear visibility, and tire pressure monitoring for continuous safety on long shifts. These systems don't just tick boxes on a spec sheet, they make real-world operations safer and reduce the stress on drivers who often work long hours in challenging conditions. Climb into the cabin, and you'll see just how far the Unimog has come in terms of operator comfort and intuitive control. The star of the show is UniTouch, a revolutionary operating system now standard across all Unimog implement carriers. This system centers around a 10.5-inch touchscreen display, rotatable and height adjustable to suit different drivers. But it doesn't stop there. Mercedes has integrated a programmable joystick and customizable buttons, allowing operators to assign entire routines to a single command. In real-world use, such as the Wertheim municipal fleet in Germany, operators have reported that tasks which used to take multiple steps, like deploying a snow plow and activating the salt spreader, can now be performed with a single touch. This isn't just convenience. It's productivity, safety, and precision in action. And because operators often spend full days behind the wheel, UniTouch has been designed with ergonomics and ease of use in mind. Ignition, hydraulic controls, and attachments can all be automated into repeatable workflows, saving time and reducing human error. For municipal workers clearing roads in harsh winter weather or contractors switching between attachments in the field, this intuitive system changes the game entirely. Of course, the Unimog name has always been synonymous with off-road capability, and the U327 proudly continues that legacy. The foundation remains the iconic offset frame and portal axles, which together provide exceptional ground clearance while maintaining a low center of gravity. This design allows the truck to tackle extreme terrain with confidence. Add to that up to 600 mm of diagonal articulation and 30 degrees of axle articulation, and you have a machine that can adapt to surfaces that would stop conventional trucks in their tracks. Whether it's uneven construction sites, rural agricultural paths, or snow-covered roads, the U327 simply powers through. Handling has also been enhanced with speed-dependent electro-hydraulic comfort steering. At low speeds, steering is lighter, making it easier to maneuver in tight spaces or when attaching implements. At higher speeds, the system stiffens for better stability and control. And for those who regularly operate with heavy implements or on rough ground, Mercedes offers an optional hydropneumatic rear suspension. This technology not only improves ride comfort but also stabilizes loads, ensuring safer handling and reducing wear on both the truck and its attachments. Let's take a moment to summarize what this new model brings to the table. The 2026 Unimog U327 delivers a 272 horsepower engine, available in multiple wheelbase configurations. It complies with the latest EU safety regulations, meaning advanced assists come standard. It introduces UniTouch, a revolutionary control system that makes complex operations effortless. And it retains the legendary off-road DNA of the Unimog family, ensuring it's not just a machine for the city, but for every environment. But beyond the specs and features, the Unimog U327 represents something bigger: the continued evolution of a tool trusted by industries, municipalities, and contractors around the world. For over 7 decades, the Unimog has been more than just a truck, it's been a partner in getting the toughest jobs done. From snow clearing in mountain passes to transporting equipment across rugged terrain, the Unimog has always delivered reliability, versatility, and innovation. The U327 builds on that legacy while preparing for the future, where digital integration and safety are just as important as raw strength. So, who is this truck really for? Imagine a municipality that needs a vehicle compact enough to handle narrow streets but powerful enough to carry snow-clearing attachments through harsh winters. Or think about a construction company that needs a truck capable of hauling materials across uneven sites while meeting the latest safety regulations. The U327 fits both scenarios, and many more. Its adaptability is what makes it stand out in a market where most vehicles are designed for either one purpose or another. From the outside, it may look like another utility truck. But the truth is, every detail has been engineered to balance performance, safety, and ease of use. Whether it's the advanced articulation that conquers rough terrain, the touchscreen and joystick that simplify daily tasks, or the robust build that ensures durability, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Unimog U327 proves why the Unimog brand remains unmatched in its category. In short, this is not just an update. It's a complete reimagining of what a medium-duty 4x4 implement carrier can be. It's stronger, smarter, and safer. And as it enters service across Europe and beyond, it's set to continue the Unimog's role as the gold standard for utility vehicles worldwide. This is the Mercedes-Benz Unimog U327. Built to perform. Built to endure. Built for the future.